All right, Algebra 2, we are finishing up Chapter 9 today with some circles. So our standard form for circles is in parentheses x minus h, parentheses squared, plus y minus k, parentheses squared, equals radius squared. So we're always going to type in an x, we're always going to type in a y, similar to a couple chapters ago. We were plugging in for h and k, and then r would be the new one. Notice we have x minus and y minus. So just like we've been working with a lot of the time, we flip the sign actually. So um, if we see the standard form, we're going to eventually be able to draw a circle, something like this. Let's see it kind of in action. We have x minus 7 squared plus y plus 3 squared equals 64. So from this standard form, our center is going to be the opposite of this number, so positive 7, and the opposite of this number, so negative 3. Our radius is just the square root of 64, so that'd be 8. And then we can just graph it. So here's our center, and then our radius is just 8. So if I were to be plotting this on Savas, I'd plot my center, and then I'd just count 8 to the right, 8 up, 8 to the left, or 8 down. It really doesn't matter which direction. It'll plot it for you. Here we're going in reverse. They give us the graph. We have the center at negative 1, 2, and then if we count over 1, 2, 3, 4, we can find the radius. Another way to find the radius would be if they give you these 2 points, like the center and another point on the graph, you could use that distance formula. Or if they don't give you the center, use the 2 points, and you can use the distance formula to get the whole diameter, cut it in half, and there's your radius. And then if they don't give you the center even, if they give you 2 points, use the midpoint formula from right before break, and the midpoint would be the center of the circle. But here they're nice to us, and they give us the center, and they give us the radius, so let's plug it in. X minus negative 1 is x plus 1 squared, plus y minus 2 squared equals 4 squared is 16. Now, if we want to find the area of this circle, the area of a circle is pi r squared. All we have to do is plug in a 4 for the r, and then square it, and we'd get 16 pi.